So, Mommy's making crepes right now. He's already done with the second crepe. And I noticed that the crepes given were pretty like a taco. And, well, these, these crepes Mommy bought earlier were actually in the shape of this like rectangle line thing, and well, I literally want to try it. I really want to try it.
We can bring it here to the decoration. Okay. We're going to put some cranberry.
So the crepes I have right now are really yummy.
Can you help me?
I'm going to put this.
Okay, that's decoration, okay?
Well, these crepes are actually made or maybe fried. These are fried crepes, and well, I just really want to eat them. Mommy's going to get the chocolate out, the chocolate filling, and top it up with a topping with like powdered sugar. Well, Mommy, can I sprinkle it?
Yes. Go get your plate.
Well, I really love these crepes. And the fact that comes together makes it so easy.
What do you want on your crepe, Nicole?
What?
We'll get some blueberries. Where's your blueberry bowl? Over
I
there.
don't want blueberries on my crepe, actually.
Okay.
No, also I wanted powdered sugar. So he's already spreading it like Nutella and like bread, and they're yummy. Almost like Nutella breads.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I literally love sprinkle. It's always facing to, it's supposed to face, not supposed to face towards here anymore. It's supposed to, yeah.
Okay, baby.
So, well, these crepes are yummy.
So now Aiden try to eat it.
Okay.
How was it?
It was good.
That looks yummy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, should we stop now?
What is the texture?
We should not stop now.
Okay.
What is the texture like?
The texture feels like bumpy, like every.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What do you rate it out of 10?